before you connect the lock with the smart lock and the gateway, you need to make sure the Wi-Fi and network work stably. And now you can find the app Smart Life and find the add device, not this one.
Unauthorized fingerprint.
First add the lock, this one. Now it's adding in the process.
Administrator added successfully.
Added successfully. Okay, done.
Unlock.
So it's okay. And then add the gateway. You need to make the gateway powered up before adding. Go find the add device tab, and now you will see the Bluetooth gateway is showing in the page, and then enter the password for the Wi-Fi. Now it's adding. Okay, added successfully. Done. Now you can skip and set up later. Choose the second one, skip. Then you can find all the devices you have added. Then go to the Bluetooth gateway and tap the add device. Add the existing device because the lock is already added. And choose the lock. Confirm. It's adding in the process. Finish. Okay, so you can there's two ways to use the lock to use the phone to unlock the door. First, if the lock and gate if your phone is near the lock, then you can go directly with the lock. And if you want to remote control the lock, then you should go with the Bluetooth gateway. Find and use the lock. Use the app to unlock the door.